Hey, welcome back to the channel. Steve here. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. So we're going to start part 2 of the deck rebuild. We got a mountain of wood here. It's just craziness. So if you remember in part 1, the deck was 33 by 17, and we've gone and taken out some ledger boards there because they were rotten. We still have a little bit of the balcony to take out over there, but we're going to take that out only once we start to rebuild, just simply because we won't be able to get it in and out of the house. I thought about stacking some cinder blocks in front of the patio door there, but we're going to wait and see. So today, what I want to do is I kind of want to level this out nicely, fill in some of these holes, and just get a level starting surface. Because what I'm thinking of doing is, yeah, I could go right on the ground with some elephant feet and, you know, hang the joists on that. But I'm going to excavate some rows. And in those rows, I'm going to put some 0.75 clean that I bought. I think it's going to make it a lot more stable. Although the deck probably won't ever fall in my lifetime, and maybe it'll be somebody else who'll get to really enjoy this place we call paradise. But that's about it. We're going to get started. We're going to get some of this leveled, and then we're going to start digging the trenches. So I hope you're going to stick around. It's going to be kind of cool. We're going to get some drone footage with the tractor, the Kubota, so you guys can see from different angles. And of course, we're going to put the camera in different angles, and that's the game plan. Let's see what happens. Beautiful day. We've been blessed with another beautiful day. So let's get at it. Well guys, we got it all leveled out. I wanted to make sure to keep a nice grade going down. It's always good to keep that negative slope away from the property. Keep water out. You never know how much water is going to accumulate around your foundation, so it's always a good thing. And I guess what we're going to do is call it for today, and then tomorrow we'll get started on digging out the trenches so that we can lay out the crushed rock. I just wanted to show you guys this rock. Some real beautiful rock we got. I know it's just rock, but you know, it's all nice and round, so it's going to be like a little bit decorative too around the deck. It's going to be great. So that's a 0 3/4 clean, and we got a 10-wheeler there, so hopefully we have enough to get around that deck and dig out those trenches. But that's going to be for tomorrow. For now, time to take a break. So we took a little break after we did the leveling and got some spray paint and just kind of roughly laid out what the deck is going to look like. As you saw from the drone shot, we got 17 feet coming out from the house to this point, and then 33 feet going along to the other side. I'm going to reinforce this section because future plans for a gazebo are there. So what we're going to do is you can see the joist lines coming out, the two lines over here and over there. I think what we're going to do is a 888 beam underneath to really secure this thing so that it doesn't move. But what we're going to do today is we're going to just dig out some trenches so that we can get that rock put in, that 3/4 inch clean. Dig out trenches where you see the lines kind of all the way along. We're going to go down about 18 inches, and I'm thinking I'm going to go about 3 feet wide. It's going to give us a good secure base for frost in the winter so that the deck doesn't move around too much. We can't do sonotubes going down just simply because we are so close to the lake that the minute we hit down 3-4 feet, we start touching into really kind of wet ground and stuff. So we're going to sit them on the blocks, like I said, 24-inch pads sitting on elephant feet, going up on 4-footers, 4x4s. So that's the plan. Hopefully she's not going to move. Last one did move a lot too much with the frost. I don't think this one's going to move at all. Just simply with the rock base and then the 24x24 concrete pad with the elephant foot on a 4x4. I think we're going to good. So let's get to it. Let's start digging. So as you can see, we've got about, I don't know, 28 inches across, 30 inches across. Now I'm just taking the rake and kind of smoothing it out a bit. And we've got about, I don't know, 10 inches of depth there, let's say. So I think that's going to be a good base for us. We're going to just move it out, move it around. It's going to be a bit more solid than sand. Let's take a bit of that out. I think we're going to be good here. And we got 4 more to do. And this is going to be the basic concept all the way along. Flatten it out. We're going to fill it with stone, and then we're going to build our supports on it. So guys, we're on number 3. Got 1, 2, 3, and we need to fill this in just a little bit. It's a little too deep. We're going to take up a little too much rock, and then we're going to put our last one right here, and that's going to be the foundation work that has to be done. So as you can see, I kind of leveled it out as I'm going along. The fill that I'm going to get from this one, I'm going to use it over here to level out the land a bit so we don't have to buy as much topsoil. I mean, it is a sandy rocky mix, but just the thin layer topsoil will be good for some seeds and grass. But it's coming along. After, I'm going to go to my neighbors and get the stamper to stamp this down, and then we'll be almost done the foundation work. So we got the loan of this packer compactor. Just want to hit the rocks like that. We've already done these 2 rows. They're done, packed. So we got 2 rows left. And that's what we're up to. Well guys, that's going to pretty much do it. We've done all the trenches. We raked out all the earth, flattened everything. Everything's ready to go. We even compacted it all so that when we get some rain, there'll be more compaction. It's a hard day's work, but most of the foundation work is in now for the deck. The next step is going to be rebuilding. So thanks a lot for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the content. Can't wait to start part 3 and get this deck rebuilt. We've lost it for about a month now. We got in all the rock, like I said. We compacted it. We leveled out the extra sand and dirt that we had around the yard, just to fill in all the little holes. Might as well do it while we're here. So thanks a lot for joining me. Have a great week, and we'll see you on part 3. Thanks for watching.